Hello, today I wanted to show off a new little thing I came up with. This is not exactly a twisty puzzle. Maybe it's hardly even a puzzle exactly, but it's kind of a cool geometric object. So this basically consists of two parts. You have these pentagons here and these little triangles, and they've been designed in such a way that they fit together nicely like this. And these triangle ones have this little spot in the center here where you can hook on a rubber band like this. And basically this thing's going to come together into an Icosadodecahedron, which is basically a 12-sided shape dodecahedron, but each corner has been shaved down to make triangles, which is these guys. And these triangles are going to hold the whole thing together with the tension on the rubber bands. Of course, the trick with this thing is assembling it. Because basically it's going to be all together with rubber bands going through the center, holding in two pieces on opposite ends. And that pressure will keep it together, but that won't work until it's all there to hold. So the best way I've found to assemble this thing is with a little assistance. So let's go ahead and try and put this thing together. Okay, there we go. It's assembled with this massive amount of tape on it. Now all that's left is to carefully take the tape off and see if it stays together.